All right, it's a new project, 1969 Ford Mustang. It is a rolling shell. Completely gutted, all the glasses gone. There's a tank in there, but it's gonna put a new one in it. And there it is. And here's a pile of all the stuff that came with it. Got the tail lights, 2 clusters, crankshaft. I got the bumpers, the valence. I got all the stuff for the AC and heater. There's a mountain of parts. So it has all the parts. It was just completely taken apart for a rebuild that never happened. I got the seats. I got both bucket seats and the back seats also in there. It came with this Edelbrock Performer 4-barrel carburetor. 4-barrel intake manifold, and this Edelbrock carburetor. I don't know what this one is, but I figure I'll clean those up. It came with shock towers, brand new in the box. As you can see, I got both of them, the left and the right. Those are worth $150 each. I got all the interior pieces, panels, got the grill. It also came with an aluminum radiator, aftermarket. That's pretty nice. Griffin, I'm gonna look that up, see how much that's worth, if it's worth anything. It came with some spare parts, like new inbox that was never installed, but it's been sitting in the car. It did come with a block, but it's probably toast. This is like completely roached out, so that's probably not good. The transmission, lo and behold, is broken. So I'm gonna do a T5 swap anyway. So that's basic stuff. Inside, got some floor pan damage, but all of these panels are replaceable. In fact, this whole floor comes as one piece, and they're not that expensive. So the worst is here, where you can see through. This one is pretty roached out, but it's not rusted through, but I'll still remove everything. Back here, same thing. This side, it's not as bad, but I figure if I can get like the whole floor from this seam line all the way to the front, to that line right there, maybe a little higher, and just replace the whole floor all at once. It's got the doors, all the window regulators and stuff. I have those pieces that came with them. The quarter window guides and brackets it came with them. There's just no glass. I had to buy a complete glass kit, which is fine. Like, steering wheel is still all connected. I got, then here's the front. So that side, the headlights are on this side, they're here on the floor. So it's got all the parts. It's just disassembled to, I don't know, people's pipes and dreams, and then they never become true. So now it's my pipe and dream. We'll see how far I get on it, but whatever. AC, max AC first. This is an AC car, original. It's a 302 2-barrel original car, which is 302 2-barrel with AC from the factory. That makes me happy. I'm not gonna do original restoration or anything like that. I'm gonna do whatever I want with this car. That's what I bought it for. It's for me for the rest of my life. I'm probably gonna be working on this thing till I'm an old man, and that's okay. It's probably not gonna drive or anything for like 10 years. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna be working on it one panel at a time, and gonna be making some videos. Like, this is the oldest car I've ever owned. I've wanted a vintage Mustang since I was a little kid, and here I am, finally got one. All right, I'll post a video when I start working on this thing, but I took all of that was inside the car, so that's what I did today. I just took everything out and cleaned everything out. All right, I'll see you when I start working on this thing. Later.